Hello, I'm Damian Mitchell. On day 4 of the Vybz Kartel appeal hearing, one attorney today said in 2014 the summation to the jury by trial judge Lennox Campbell was defective in form and substance. Oswest Senior Smith, the attorney for co-convict Andre St. John, was making his submissions before the appeal court. St. John, along with Adija Vybz Kartel Palmer, Sean Storm Campbell, and Kyra Jones, are appealing their 2014 conviction and sentence for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. According to Senior Smith, in summing up the case for the jurors, Justice Campbell failed to adequately and fairly deal with the evidence put forward by the four men. For example, he said during the trial there was no evidence that on the night Lizard was killed, St. John had a firearm or anything that could be conceived as a threat. So from the outset, a distinction ought to have been made about the alleged involvement of each accused in the summation, he said. Oswest Senior Smith also said the concept of common design needed some deconstruction, certainly where Kyra Jones and Andre St. John are concerned. And he said that the outright denial by Vybz Kartel of any involvement in the death of Clive Lizard Williams was not treated fairly or adequately in the summation. Mr. Palmer categorically said he never sent anyone to kill Clive Lizard Williams, nor did I do it myself, the attorney said, repeating a part of Kartel's unsworn statement to the jury during the trial. The learned trial judge did not draw the distinction between what Mr. Palmer said in his favor as against the allegations against him. This outright denial of any killings by Mr. Palmer was not given sufficient weight by the learned trial judge in his direction to the jury, Mr. Senior Smith asserted. He said emphasis was instead placed on the men's assertion that there was a conspiracy by the police against them. So that was the defense the judge left to the jury instead of an outright denial, Senior Smith argued. The hearing continues on Friday. With the roundup of day 4 of the Vybz Kartel appeal hearing, I'm Damian Mitchell.